Hello friends, today's topic, beware fraud in bank account. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. A shocking incident has happened in an ICICI bank branch in Rajasthan. A relationship manager in a ICICI bank branch in Kota, Rajasthan has allegedly swindled around 4.58 crore from customers' accounts only to lose the lot of it in the stock market. She was arrested last week and is currently under judicial custody. The accused, Sakshi Gupta, was posted as a relationship manager at ICICI Bank's branch. Police said she had been illegally withdrawing money from more than 110 accounts belonging to 41 customers for around 2.5 years. As per reports, she invested these amounts in the stock market and lost a large chunk of it. Bank manager Tarun Dadich filed a complaint against her at the police station on February 18, accusing her of siphoning rupees 4.58 crore from customer accounts. Based on the complaint, Sakshi Gupta, who worked at the branch from 2020 to 23, was arrested on May 31st. During the investigation, it was revealed that Sakshi Gupta changed the mobile numbers linked with several accounts to her relatives' numbers, ensuring that transaction alerts and OTPs were not received by the real account holders. She systematically transferred funds to different accounts, in some cases using an elderly woman's account who was unaware of the activity as a pool account. By February 15, 2023, she had transferred more than rupees 3 crore to this account alone. Sakshi Gupta misused debit cards, PINs and OTPs for these transactions and even activated overdraft facilities on 40 accounts without consent. She prematurely closed fixed deposits of 31 customers' accounts, funneling over 1.34 crores. She also took out a personal loan of rupees 3.40 lakhs. Police said that many transactions were conducted using various digital banking platforms with at least 4 customers' debit cards used for ATM and internet banking. Proceeds from these activities were sent to demat accounts as part of the attempted cover-up. ICICI Bank has said that the interest of these customers is most important. They will compensate the amount withdrawn, the customers' amounts, by their employee and have suspended the employee involved. Now, what are the precautions to take? Number one, be aware of the transactions in your account by regularly monitoring the balance of all transactions at least once a month. It would take 5 minutes to review account. 2. Don't keep large amounts of money idle in your savings account, especially invest it in any instrument based on risk appetite. 3. Be alert for any messages, email stating that mail ID or mobile number has been changed for a bank account. 4. If you notice any unauthorized transaction in your account, immediately inform the bank so that they can take quick action and solve the issue. 5. If you are a senior citizen or you have a senior citizen parent, make sure to be extra vigilant to avoid such problems in your account. End of the video, here is the question. Do you review your bank account now and then? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. Video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.